Homeowners searching for Awning Windows Clermont, Florida can find practical, attractive solutions for ventilation, storm protection, and curb appeal throughout the city. From new Awning Windows Clermont homes need in growing neighborhoods to awning window upgrades Clermont property owners want for older houses, these window styles are ideal for Central Florida weather. Residential Awning Windows Clermont families choose often combine airflow and privacy, making them popular near busy roads and established subdivisions. Whether you need modern Awning Windows Clermont designs for renovation or classic vinyl Awning Windows Clermont options for long-time residents, local service can be tailored to both style and performance goals. Clermont Awning Window installation is a smart investment for homeowners who want dependable performance in heat, rain, and seasonal storms. Professional Awning Window Installers. Clermont, Florida residents trust can handle full measurements, product selection, and clean installation in neighborhoods near Hancock Road, Highway 50, and the Clermont Waterfront Park area. Many customers request custom Awning Windows Clermont for kitchens, bathrooms, sunrooms, and living spaces where top-hinged ventilation matters most. With licensed awning window contractors, Clermont, Florida property owners can expect proper fit, weather sealing, and code-conscious installation for homes across Lake County. Energy-efficient Awning Windows Clermont residents choose can help reduce cooling strain and improve indoor comfort year-round. High-efficiency Awning Windows Clermont neighborhoods increasingly demand are designed with insulated glass, secure seals, and durable framing that performs well in humid Florida conditions. Energy-saving Awning Windows Clermont Lake County homeowners install are especially useful for sun-exposed rooms where improved thermal control can make a difference. Premium Vinyl Awning Windows. Clermont, Florida buyers often offer low maintenance, strong insulation, and long-term value, making them a practical choice for both renovations and complete window replacement projects. Awning window replacement Clermont services are ideal when existing windows become drafty, difficult to operate, or visibly worn. Awning Windows Clermont experts can replace outdated units with modern, better sealed products that improve appearance and efficiency without changing the character of the home. Groveland to Clermont awning window replacement requests continue to grow as more homeowners modernize aging properties throughout the region. If you are looking for awning window replacement near Citrus Tower, Clermont, or in nearby residential communities, local professionals can recommend options based on frame condition, glass performance, and your budget. Awning Window Replacement Clermont, Florida services can restore function and prevent minor problems from becoming expensive structural issues. Awning Windows Clermont experts often address stuck hardware, leaking frames, cracked panes, and operational trouble caused by age or weather exposure. Awning window frame replacement Clermont homes may involve correcting wood damage, resealing edges, or replacing warped components that interfere with smooth opening and closing. Homeowners also commonly request awning window seal replacement Clermont services to stop moisture intrusion, improve energy performance, and protect interior finishes from Florida humidity. Hurricane-rated awning windows Clermont homeowners install provide added confidence during storm season and are especially valuable in exposed areas of Central Florida. Impact awning windows Clermont properties benefit from are built to resist strong winds and flying debris while maintaining the convenient ventilation awning windows are known for. Hurricane impact awning windows Clermont, Florida buyers seek are often chosen for remodels, additions, and complete exterior upgrades where safety and performance are priorities. In East Clermont, Florida, impact awning windows are a frequent request for households wanting stronger glass, sturdier hardware, and improved resilience without sacrificing style. Custom awning windows Clermont can help homeowners create tailored solutions for unique spaces and architectural layouts. Whether you want awning window retrofit Clermont services for an older house or a complete awning window renovation Clermont project for a newly updated property, customization can improve both appearance and usability. Awning Windows Clermont consultation appointments often cover frame materials, hardware finishes, glass packages, and vending needs based on room function. For homes near Lake Mineola, custom sizing and design can be especially helpful when preserving views while maximizing natural light and airflow.